Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tamanna and you are watching The Lil Matinee. In this video, I'm creating this look which is my first episode of the series Color Pop. So yeah, this video gonna be a little bit longer, but I guess that it's worth it, right? Without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Let's start with prepping our lips with any of your favorite moisturizer. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium, which gonna prep my lids for all the colors. For blending, I'm taking this foundation brush. You can take any of your concealer brush. Make sure you are blending it well to even out your lids. Next up, I'm taking this Beauty Glazed Color Studio palette, which is definitely a drugstore product for rainbow palettes. From this palette, I'm starting with this neutral color for my base so that it will allow all the colors to blend easily. Now I'm taking this orange color and will start applying from the outer corners of my eyes and blending towards my crease lines. Make sure you are blending it well so that your eyeshadow will look smooth. Continue filling the same color all over your lids and again start blending. Do it with very light hand as it's gonna add value to your eyes. Focus more on your outer corners since for inner corner we will be doing cut crease. Next, I'm taking this rust color to add depth on my eyes. I'll be applying this on my outer corner as well as into my crease line. Now I'll be taking this bright yellow color and will start applying just above my crease line to add that ombre effect on my eyes. Blend it well so that everything will look extremely smooth. Now again I'll be taking my Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium and will start applying from inner corner, and with the help of this concealer brush I'm gonna blend this till mid of my eyes. Repeating the same step on other eyelid, and guys, this step is called cut crease. Now I'm applying the Shimmer Golden eyeshadow from Hilary Rota palette and will blend with that orange color from outer corners of my eyes. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Blending procedure is really important, guys. Now I'm taking this Swiss Beauty metallic eyeliner. I'm gonna apply over the golden color to add more blend to my eyes. And with the help of flat eyeshadow brush, I'm blending and spreading this color. Now I'm using the same orange eyeshadow to clean everything. And also I'm blending all the colors together so that we can see no harsh line on our eyes. And to clean this eyeshadow which is all over my face and eyes, I'm just using a wet wipe to give proper shape to my eyes. Next up, I'm starting with my base, which is incomplete without hydrating your skin. For foundation, today I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm gonna start with dotting it all over my face. and with the help of foundation brush I will spread it out. To avoid any harsh lines or extra product over my face, I'll be using this damp sponge from PAC to achieve smoother base. Just move it all over your face and neck for even look. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40 Caramel and will apply on any blemishes if it's visible and will blend with the help of same sponge which we used earlier. For highlighting, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium and gonna apply on all the high points or the areas which I want to highlight on my face. And now with the help of this blender, I will start blending from my chin to cupid bow to my forehead. And at last my under eye, as this will let my concealer to set in that while. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder to set my base. Make sure you are dabbing your product over your face and not swiping it all over. Next up is contouring, for which I'm using the CP20 Sculpt with Contour palette and will start applying to give bit of shape to my face. I'm gonna start applying it under my cheekbone and blending in upward direction. This will help in lifting my face. Now I'll be moving to my jawline, and to hide my double chin, I'll be using this contour color to give definition to my face. For blush, I'm using this LA color palette which has all the beautiful colors. And today I'm gonna use this shade as my blush. Also guys, it comes with satin finish, so it will add that sheen to my overall look. For highlighting, I'm using the same palette. I'm gonna apply on my cheekbone nose, cupid bow, chin, and a little bit on temples of my forehead. For lips, I'm using my favorite Faces Canada in the color Natural Cocoa to neutralize come highlight my overall look. And now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and just be very careful while doing that. Next for mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara and will apply on my upper lashes. Guys, don't forget your lower lashes as well. Also add some color on your lower lash line as well and complete your look with those falsies. So that's the look I have achieved, guys. Hope you like the tutorial. Please try the look on this Eid and tag us on your Insta handles. Eid Mubarak, guys. Stay tuned for the second episode of the series Color Pop. Bye.